Hi, I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Joe.
And today we're going to show you how to put together your Indi tall bookcase.
We recommend you use an orange mallet like this that you can find on our website. If you do not have this, fear not. Your packaging includes a rubber hammer cap that can go right onto your household hammer and serve the same purpose.
Let's do it.
First, you're going to attach your feet onto your bottom panel of the bookcase. Insert your JCB bolt through the larger hole, connecting your leg on the other side. Then use your Allen key to tighten, making sure the foot is square to the edge before you fully tighten. Like that. Set this aside until later. Lean your left side panel against the wall, making sure your pins are on the top and your door glides are on the bottom.
Take your back panel and line up the green connectors with the slots on the side panel and make sure that when you lock into place, these pins are facing up. To get all of your green connectors in place, you may want to use your mallet on the other side of the side panel just to tap everything into place. And then once everything is lined up, just push to lock into place.
Now repeat with your second side. Line up all your connectors with the slots on the side panel. Use your mallet to align things if you need a little help. Then push down to lock into place. Use your mallet if you need a little extra help. With a friend, lay the case on its back.
And then get your bottom panel and your shelf panel and get ready to lock them into place. Have the other person flare up the sides slightly so the other person can insert the panels.
With the bottom panel, make sure the back sticker is facing the back panel. Make sure everything is lined up. You can use your mallet for a little extra help. And then you're going to push down each panel to lock into place. Flip the case into standing position with a friend.
Then get your top panel and your rubber mallet and line up the holes underneath your top panel with the green pins on the top of your bookcase. Once everything is lined up, use your rubber mallet or your hammer and hammer cap to tap down into place.
Now it's time to install your drawer onto the drawer slides. First step is to make sure your drawer clips are facing the drawer front and not the drawer back. This position is correct. Extend the drawer slides forward, facing out from the case. Position your drawer on top of the glides. Locating the plastic clip here, pull forward while pushing back on the drawer face until you hear an audible click. Do the same thing on the other side. Then push in. Now just insert your shelf pins and your shelves and you are all set.
And you're done. Come on, Timmy.